Hello everyone, hope all are doing fine. So in this video, we'll tell you the complete procedure for making the house plan. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we want a plot area. So I have a plot area which is 33 into 29. It is in feet. So first of all, we'll set the units in architectural. So type UN, the shortcut key for units command, and press enter. Just click on this drop down menu of decimal and select architectural and choose the precision. You can take half or 1 by 4. I'll choose half, and here just select inches. So here already selected inches. If you are not selected inches, just select inches and then do OK. Alright, now let's make. First of all, we make plot, which is the very first portion we have to draw. So I'll using line command for making the plot. So I haven't set the limits. Okay, if you set limits then it's okay, otherwise no issue. So I make my ortho on and I take here 33 feet, enter, and here you can see the size is going too much, so escape and you can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and now we again take a line upward 29 feet, press enter, and here again will come 33 feet and just simply close here and press the escape button. Alright, now we'll make the external wall. So external wall thickness according to the standard size, which is 10 inches, 9 inches, 6 inches. So I'll provide here 9 inches for our exterior wall. So I just take offset command, press enter, and I put the value 9 inches, press enter, and just click inside of your plot. Okay, now we'll trim these extra edges here. So simple tr double enter and just trim it. Alright, now we'll make our inner wall. Okay, so inner wall, it will be attached our requirement like bedroom, bathroom, dining room, stair, whatever. Okay, so we'll take offset for our bedroom. So take offset 12 feet, press enter, click to this internal wall or the exterior wall. So just click here. Okay, and now we'll again offset this, which is called the internal wall of the bedroom. So the standard size of internal wall, which is 4 inch, 6 inch, 5 inch, I'll provide 6 inch here. So again take offset and 6 inch, press enter, and just click to this line and just click here. Okay, if you suppose if you are taking offset or making the inner wall for the bedroom or anyone for making this, you have to just offset. Suppose we are taking offset from right to left, so here was the distance for the bedroom, and we just offset towards the left hand side, which is our 6 inches wall. Okay, so it is mandatory. If you offset from right to left, so you have to always make internal wall at the uh, right to left. Okay, just like we offset this from right to left, suppose we are going to offset from this left to right, then we always make internal wall like left to right. Okay, now again we'll offset. Here will be bathroom, which is 7 feet. I press 7 feet, press enter. First we'll offset this our vertical line. Okay, so just click on this internal wall and just click here. Okay, because we are going to right to left. Now again we take offset by pressing space bar or enter button. Both are working for the same. Command will be repeated, and I just press 6 inches for internal wall, press enter, and just click here right to left. Okay, alright, so here space has been given for the another bedroom. Now we'll offset this line. Okay, this horizontal line will offset this. So we take offset 12 feet, press enter, and just click here and just click downward. So we just offset this from upward to downward, so we'll offset from upward to downward. Okay, for the internal wall. So I take again 6 inches for the internal wall, so I just click here. Okay, now we'll make also wall for the bathroom. So offset, I take 6 feet, press enter according to the requirement. I just click here, and again we'll take offset 6 inch. I just click here. Alright, now we don't want the extra line, so just simple trim this. Okay, so trim this simply, trim this, trim this. This is bedroom, this is bathroom, this is another bedroom. So we'll go further. Okay, here also we want to make one more bathroom, so we'll take offset. Here I'll give 7 feet again. From this time we are taking from left to right, so just click here, and again we'll offset 6 inch from left to right. Alright, now we'll offset this. Okay, from upward to downward, so I take offset here 5 feet, press enter, and just click to this line and come downward. Again we take offset, so 6 inches this time, and click here, click downward. Alright, now we just trim for not getting confused. Okay, for not getting confused, so just trim this line. This is your another bedroom, and this is your also bathroom. Alright, here we'll make kitchen, so just offset it 7 feet, enter, from right to left, again offset 6 inch for the wall. Alright, again we take offset, this time 5 feet, press enter, and just click here and just click downward. Or you can simply, when you take this offset, you can also draw this. Okay, again we take 6 inch, press enter, click here and just click downward. Alright, so trim this extra portion, trim this, and just trim this. Alright, so guys, this is your space for the bedroom, bathroom, another bedroom, bathroom, another bedroom. This actually space, I think, will leave for the small parking with staircase. Okay, we'll draw a staircase here, and this is, you can assume this is your drawing room. Okay, just for the demonstration, this is for practice. Okay, this is kitchen. I'm just giving you the basic concept for making the floor plan or the house plan. Okay, so we'll draw a staircase here. So first of all, we'll take offset 3 feet for our landing. So offset 3 feet from here to here. Okay, and I just trim this. Okay, so you will not get confused. I just trim it. This is our landing, and now we are going to make the steps. Okay, so total steps I will take here, which is 7 steps for the 9 inch or 10 inches. Okay, you can choose. I provide here steps of 9 inches, so offset 9 inches, press enter, and I just offset it upward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All right, I just draw a line from this mid to mid. Okay, and I just trim it. If you don't trim, it just okay, but I just trim it for only showing the area. Okay, this is our parking under the stair. Here you can also make the door. Okay, before that, first we'll make space for our door. Okay, so we'll leave space for our doors. Okay, so generally bedrooms door standard size will be 3 feet, so offset 3 feet, press enter, and just click to this line and just click here. Here also I will make a space for 3 feet. Here also. Okay, all right, so simply just trim it first. So tr double enter. This is for our the door space. Alright, we'll make space for our WC or bath. So offset a standard size of bathroom toilet WC, which is 2.6 feet. From right to left, and from here to here we'll space this. All right, Now I'll also provide space for kitchen. Simply offset, standard size 3 feet, press enter. Now trim it. Trim this. Trim this. All right. Here we also want to make door, so for that I just extend this line by pressing EX double enter, and I just extend this line. All right, and I just again make a space here, 3 feet 4 feet whatever, so I just take 3 feet, press enter. Then I just trim it. We just delete this line. So this is the parking, this is a staircase, and from here you can enter the room. Okay, here will be the living room, and I just extend this line. I just trim it for looking the open space. Okay, all right. So guys, here it has done. Okay, you have to just clean this extra so-called line, okay, by the help of trim command. So just clean this line. Okay, clean this. Clean this. Okay, okay, this is your bedroom, this is your bathroom, another bedroom, bathroom, another bedroom, parking with a staircase, drawing room, kitchen. This is a simple floor plan. Okay, in the area of 33 into 29. Now we want to add some windows, texting, okay, this type of. So we have to first you can you want, then you can create the layers. So just click here the layer properties and just click over here for the new layer. So you can give it any particular name. I just gave it first wall because I have forgotten, okay, before drawing the wall. Okay, so I just wall, and I will not choose any color which is already set here. Okay, already set here. So all right, I just take new layer for window. I just choose color here. I gave it pink. I just do okay, and again I'll make new layer for text. I give it whatever you want, just give the color. I just choose it yellow, and okay. You can also choose for the dimension. Make new layer for dimension. I just write it shortcut DIM and choose any random color. I choose this. Okay, now we are going to make the windows. Okay, all right. So I am telling you from the very beginning process, okay, to making the window. Just I have told you like to make this floor plan, so I'll just simply try to make you understand how to fit the window and how to make. So trim this also extra portion, so you will get midline, because we are going to draw window at the midline of our wall. Okay, so this is our bedroom. So first of all, I would like to texting it. Okay, so just click here. Here you can see a text. Okay, so just click here, and now just specify first corner and just do this, and type here bedroom. Okay, all right, just click here. So now you can see the size is very small, okay, which is not visible. For that we have to increase our scale, so just double click, select this, and here you can enlarge scale. I set here 1 feet, press enter. All right, I click here. Yeah, this size is perfect, I think. Okay, so I'll just copy it first. So select this, type CO for copy. I just copy here, here, off your ortho mode, so you will get easy to copy. Copy here. All right, now we'll simply customize this. So just double click, and you can write this is for our bath. All right, okay, this is the living room. I just write down living. Okay, this is the kitchen. This is the drawing room. All right, now we're going to make window. Okay, for that I just click to this drop down menu and select our window layer. Just click here, and if we take a line, and from this mid wall to this, okay, and I just draw one line, and now I want to make window for size 4 feet. Okay, so I just keep this 4 feet window here. You can choose 5 feet, 6 feet. Okay, so I just offset here 2 feet, press enter, and I just click right, and just click and click left. Okay, now I'll choose multi-line for making the window frame. So I'll choose ML, type ML, press enter, and click on the scale. And generally window frame standard size is 2 inch, so I just press 2 and click on justification. Okay, then click on 0. All right, just click here and click to this mid to mid. Okay, then simply delete this helping line. So we'll copy it, so just select it, type CU for copy, press enter, and pick from this midpoint and keep it here to midpoint. Okay, we want here also, keep it to mid, keep it to mid. Okay, now for bathroom, we'll draw first same line, and I'll give here space for the window ventilation, which is 2 feet, so I just offset it 1 feet. So from mid right to left it's become 2 feet. I just type ml, press enter, and one time you put the value, so don't put again and again, and just simple click here, then escape key. Okay, delete this mid line. Here you can also draw by the line, or simply you can copy or rotate it. Okay, I choose here window for 4 feet, so offset 2 feet, press enter, and click here, then ml, make it for bath, so I just offset 1 feet, press enter, click here and click here, then just use ml, and from here to here I just make window frame and just delete this line. All right, okay, now you can do hatches on your wall. Okay, if you want, then you can hatches to your wall. So before hatches, I'll just show the complete dimension of the area, like bedroom, bathroom. Okay, for that, how to check the dimension? Just click simple utilities, and here you can choose the quick option, and if you keep your cursor here, it will show the dimension. Okay, length into width, it will show the dimensions. So here 12 into 12, here it is 7 feet into 6 feet. This dimension is for bedroom 11 feet 6 inch into 12 feet. This area dimension 7 feet into 5 feet. Here 11 feet 6 inch into 9 feet 6 inch. Here you can also measure it. Okay, so we also trim this. create this middle line.